Hello, you're watching Channel 1, where if you can hear me over the sound of my son playing, I'm about to explain how to change the tail lights on a Citroen C4 Grand Picasso. Now, I have no failed bulbs on the back of my car, but nothing that I wanted to record actually panned out. So I'm just doing this as a little informative video for you. So here we have an tail light. And with the boot open, there are simply 3 screws which need undoing. They are TX20 screws, so you need a little bit just like this to be able to undo them. And here they are removed. And that is all the tools you need to do this job. But you will then need to grab the bottom of the tail light cluster near the body of the car and just pull it backwards a little. You'll feel a little donk as it releases. Do the same at the top, and you will now have completely released the tail light unit from the car. So with that released, you can see here the little pegs that locate on the car body, and I've just marked the locating points for those there. Actually, they're actually on the body of the car. And with that kind of out, there is this one connector that feeds all the tail lights. You just need to push the little tab in and slide that connector away from the tail light unit. As I've done here, I've also peeled back the dust cover, and then the tail light is completely detached from the car. Now, as you look at the area where the bulbs are, this connector on the very top is for your tail lights, those long thin tubes that run the length of the tail lights. I have no idea if you can get replacements for them other than from Citroen, but I've never known of any going. So to actually replace any of the bulbs, you need to push these 2 tabs inwards towards each other, and that will free the little plastic bracket with your indicator bulb, reverse lamp and your brake light located as I have shown here. So replace whichever one needs replacing, do the reverse of disassembly, and you should then have your tail light installed with new working bulbs. So there we have it, how to replace tail light bulbs on a Citroen C4 Grand Picasso. If this has helped any of you and saved you a few pounds by not having to take it to a dealer's, do please hit the like button. Please subscribe to the channel as well if you have one of these cars, because every bit of maintenance I do I will be uploading on here. But to be honest, whether you do or you don't, folks, I still wish you a very good day. Stay safe, everybody. Take care. Peace.